Welcome back to another video. In this video, me and Axel right here are on the way into a lake where we are going to be spending the next 3 days. Setting up camp, building fire, getting wood, and having a wonderful time out in the Norwegian nature. So come along for this epic adventure. Let's go! Right now, we're just walking along a little ski path. Got my fish glasses on, so I can see better through water. The sun is finally getting through, and that means that we might get some sun. It's blue sky over us, so hopefully the fog rises. Axel was tired, so I took his bag on here, just being a good friend because I have extra energy, so I'm gonna carry it or drag it for him. But we have only around a 200-meter walk left on this road. After that we're gonna go into the forest and do some bushwalking until we are at the lake. Here we go. The bushwalking starts right here. Finally reached the lake, but I'm really tired. For Axel, he's right there. He used 5 minutes more than me, that's alright. I guess, yeah. But this thing is heavy. Oh shit. This is the lake right there. We're gonna go all the way on the other side, and there's where we're gonna camp. I'm out on the middle of the lake now, and it looks like a fox or something have walked over this lake. We have the tent up, the North tent Vernen. North tent Vernen. It's a really good tent. We both have it. We both got our tents up now. I have already done some inside. We're gonna make some hot dogs now, and while Axel makes hot dogs, I'm gonna go out on the lake behind us, put up some rods with a worm on it, and maybe we are lucky and we're gonna catch some trout. Oh yeah. This was so good. we are gonna take down this tree now using this saw. One of 4 trees we need. Det var det bare. Da filmer jeg nå. We got some magic energy. We got some energy drink right here, and we are so tired. We have only found 1 tree that wasn't wet. Everything else around here was just wet. So we might have a problem, but cheers. Sadly no fish, but tomorrow, if we are lucky, we are gonna catch a nice size eating trout, and then we're gonna have a trout for lunch. That would be just so amazing. But yeah, we'll do our best. We are 2 people, and we have 6 packs of bacon with us, just like this one. And we are making some food. It's smelling so good. We have food here. We both eat out of the same pan. Same pan. Oi, begynte du å filme? We have some chocolate right here. We're gonna eat it, and we're gonna munch it, and we're gonna have a delicious eating busting time. See. Oh. Okay guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. We cannot sleep. It's freezing. It is around -11, but it feels colder. No problem, because my shoes are so frozen that I can't get them on. Look. Look at this one. I just can't get them on.
Okay.
The sun is starting to rise. I can't get my shoes on, so I'm the sound of this fire is just so nice. The sky it's actually much brighter out than you can see on camera, but it's like almost daytime, but the camera can't see it. I don't know why, but yeah. Chocolate, fire, oh, it's hot, but it's so good. Right now it's time to make some breakfast. We have 5.5 packs of bacon and that's a fact. So we need to make lots of bacon and bread and have some delicious food. As you can see, this guy brought like way too much food, but that's alright. We're gonna be sitting in front of this juicy fire and relaxing and eating good food, so yeah. There are some hunting dogs in the background, so just ignore them. Now it's time to eat this delicious bacon on some good bread right there. Okay. We're done with 2 packs now. After we have eaten that, we have only 4 more after that. So we might do this. We might make it. As you see, we have a lot of fat in here, or fats. And if we pour it on the fire, it's gonna explode kinda. It have been a few hours now. I'm still eating bacon and bread. We have a bitty small fire left. And yeah, it's a dog like you running all around with no human, just like right behind us, like 200-300 meters in the forest. And we might go check what the dog is doing, if he's lost, if he has an owner or anything, because yeah, you can probably hear it. And we'll see what the day bring us. Okay. Look at my socks from yesterday. Completely frozen. Like, that's just sweat and stuff like that. This is my sleeping bag. It's way too big. So I'm gonna do some shit to make it smaller. Just watch. Now it's much smaller. I have my socks here from last night. Just it's snowing a lot now. Again, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's snowing a lot. I'm heading down to a little creek to fill up some bottles of water, but I don't want to fall in. We are ending the trip right here, right now, after 2 days in a Norwegian forest. I really hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Wait.